Hi guys, I received many mention of this.
Na mag-react ako dito. Okay, itong naka-white na beautiful girl and this handsome pretty boy. At ang pamagat ng kinanta nila ay Talking to the Moon. Kaya let's go! Like, hindi ko makapaniwala, guys. First time ko makarinig ng ganung boses. Like, the melody, the blending are perfect and imperfections. Kaya, diba? Nakakabilib talaga ang mga Pinoy. At dito na part, tika lang. Ito nga part na to ni Ate Lake. Cause every night I'm talking. This is so difficult. At siya lang ang nakakagawa nito. Like, how can she handle that? Talking to me